Dan Deming of KKM Financial is here to get the ball rolling for us today, and thank you for coming on the show as always.
Thanks for having me, Ange.
We have to mention the Nasdaq, which has been hitting those record highs. What do you think?
Yeah, it's been on a roll. Yeah, well, I think you're seeing in that first week, the new year, a rotation taking place, Angie. So, the Nasdaq did lag at the end of last year. We saw some of the other sectors outperform, particularly when you look at the Russell, the small caps, and they're doing fine, but they certainly are flatlining here over the last couple of weeks. And now we're seeing some catch up in some of the areas that I think the perception is they are undervalued coming in the beginning of the year.
And Dan, where would you put your money right now in this market?
Well, I think, we're looking at our traditional kind of reallocation to the market at the new year, and so,
right.
We've kind of spread it across various sectors.
Sure.
But some of the sectors we're definitely focused on, again, continue to be the main themes. When you look at the financials, still feel that there's more upside there, the industrials as well. And then, again, tech has always been a pretty solid area. It has its moments where you see some weakness, but particularly we saw late after the election, but it always finds the ability to catch up, and because there's so much cash there, there's a lot of perceptions now that maybe some of these initiatives, the economic initiatives, as well as the administration, will ultimately benefit that sector moving forward.
Now, we do have earnings starting this week as well.
We do.
Will traders be watching for
Definitely.
what will they want to see out of this? I'm sure
well,
some great
the year-over-year numbers are going to probably be pretty positive, because we saw an uptick in the last quarter, and that was a little bit surprising. So the expectations are that the comparable numbers are going to be easier to beat, and we have seen a pickup in economic activity. So yeah, you got the banks at the end of the week, and that's going to be a big focus for market participants when you look at Bank of America, JP Morgan, and Wells Fargo at the end of the week. So I do believe that the focus will be on earnings. Will those numbers come in? Will they beat the expectations that are in the marketplace, because there are lofty expectations? Also, the guidance moving forward will be pivotal as well. And it's getting to the point now where when we get through the inauguration, it's put up or shut up time, because the market's really been priced on expectations to this point, I believe.
That is so true. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.